What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us. We have some fun action today at the track at Cecil County Raceway. I did not go this past weekend, so I'm going to use some of Jack's footage and Mike's footage as well as some of ours to kind of piece together and show you kind of the fun that was going on. If you didn't already watch Jack's video, make sure you check it out. Dirty Max Jack on YouTube, and Mike as well, Street Speed 717. Thanks, Bill. So we got a lot going on, busy couple weeks before the call out. We got a lot to do, a lot of cars to finish up, a lot of cars to get ready. I know a couple of people are asking about the red ZL1. I'll actually give you a quick update right now, but you won't see any video until we start it. So the red ZL1 came in originally to do some small things, and obviously we went over it and found some bigger problems. Now we did have to order a new crank, so that is here, but when it was scheduled, as everything is scheduled here weeks and months in advance, it was not originally scheduled for the engine to be pulled out, basically rebuilt in a new crank. So we don't have time to stop everybody else's car to do that. So we have to wait till we finish up some stuff, then we can get going on that and get some stuff done. Obviously, Mike is out there testing his new ZL1. As it's a manual car, it's a lot harder to drive and make consistent passes as an auto. So let's take you to the track. Fran brought his race car to do some test passes. He hadn't really driven it or done any racing in it since last World Cup, which was in November. So we'll take you to the track, give you some footage, and then we'll come back here.
I'm on my way home from Cecil now. I didn't record much this morning or when I was there because I was busy. We left the house at like 7:30 in the morning to get there early. Just wanted to shake the race car down. It hasn't been out since World Cup, which is in November, so it's literally just been sitting for 6 months. I haven't gotten it. I didn't take it out of the trailer until about a month ago, and even then I just parked it in the showroom at the shop. And I pulled it out of the showroom last night. I changed the plugs and I put it in a trailer, which isn't really what you should do on a race car like that. It should be checked over all the time, put up on the lift, looked over anything, but honestly I really didn't have time. We didn't have time at the shop. So I figured I'd take it down today, just do a couple like 1/8 mile shakedown passes on it, make sure it's all good. Now I'll bring it back to the shop, put it on the lift, go over everything, you know, stuff like that. I basically just put a set of plugs in it last night. It didn't do bad though. I mean, first pass down the track, I took a bunch of power out of it, just because I didn't know, you know, you never know with a race car like this. You don't know how the prep's gonna be, whatever. So it went like 8.0, like 136, I let off. It went 497 to the 8th at 143, I believe, with a 121.60. Turned it up a little bit, just trying to 60 it, and I turned it up top, and it went a 1200.60. It went a 493 at 144 and some change, and then I coasted to like a 790 at 795 at 137 miles an hour. Those passes, if I would have stayed in a quarter mile, probably would have been like a 770, high 760, something like that. So I was happy with it for the day. You know, it's I was going to make another pass, but it was late and I didn't really feel like it, to be honest with you. So I'll take it back to the shop, check it out. You know, I don't really think I'm going to change anything before the call out. I don't really have time, to be honest with you. It's in a couple weeks, so. I'm gonna need them.
It won't shut that loud. I know I'll need them. You want them too?
Yeah, this thing's fucking retarded.
Okay. Here, I'll even give you the good ones.
You mean mine?
Yeah, the good
Okay.
ones.
You'll give me my own?
Yeah.
Thank you for giving my own. Here,
I could have taken them and handed you the smaller ones, but I'm nice.
but these are mine.
They're all yours.
I don't know whose they are.
They're not mine, so. Yeah, this thing's obnoxious.
This is retarded.
What is it? Just no cats, no mufflers?
Yeah.
Basically a straight bike.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Wow. Yeah, that's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's dumb.
Jesus.
I'm too old for that shit.
Yeah. Because even driving like slowly in it, like when you're going through the gears at like 2,000 RPMs.
It's gonna drone bad for one, but
absolutely.
yeah, I can't stand how loud it is.
Well, whatever.
Good thing it's not my car.
Exactly. At least it cleaned up nice. Huh?
Exactly.
So, back from the machine shop.
It is.
Going back in this guy. The 93,000 mile C606.
Yeah, but the motor does not look like it has 93,000 miles on it anymore.
No, it looks good. Did a good job. No more rust. Nice.
So there's that on 3 of them. No more rust.
No messed up cylinders.
Nope.
Looks good. Looks good.
Now to get head cam and go back together.
Nice.
Okay. This is going to be a slow process.
No, it's not. It's gonna be done like. See? Fucking done, dude. Look at you. Fastest worker ever.
Yeah, funny.
Get it? Get it? Kind of. If only you could roll it.
Well, help the wheels been trying to go backwards the entire time.
That would probably be helpful.
Probably.
Stay. Good boy. Do you want me to like lower it while you aim it?
If you want, you can film and do that.
No, I don't need to film. I'll just help. Sweet. Good.
Well, it's in there, sort of.
Now, drop the car on it.
No, it's not. I gotta put everything else back on.
Yes, yes, you do. Good job, buddy.
Thanks. You did a little time lapse there.
Well, just a single shot. Little guy. Nothing crazy. I don't feel like watching you work.
That's fine. Back in.
Especially because I did the snap to engine being done. I should probably show some sort of progress.
Probably be a good idea.
Probably good.
I'll put the rest of the puzzle pieces back in.
Wiring. Fun.
This is all the stock wiring.
I know. There's little plugs and plugs and fuse box and
Yeah, stuff and things like that.
simple stuff. Well, Tyler works on that. What you got going on there, buddy?
Yeah, this guy wants to make more boost, so we're changing the lower and the upper on the, well, the lower in the Pro Charger pulley, I should say.
Oh yeah, this is the one that just made like 916, 917 on 16, 17 pounds.
I'm not really sure, to be honest. Exactly.
Through an auto, which is pretty good. So we're doing what, 10% lower? %. It's pretty close.
Yeah. Kinds of goodies here.
Ooh, you got some stickers for your truck there, buddy.
I've got about 300 of them.
I think the trash cans need some more.
That's pretty much what we do with them.
Oh, I know. Or the washer and dryer. You got some white spots on there. You could probably
We might get rid of those things. Workbench there.
That's probably a good idea. You ever even use them?
Nah. Not really.
Do you want to tell the viewers about your ticket this morning?
No, I don't.
Why not?
Because.
It's story time with Eric.
Yeah, well, I don't even want to think about it. You know?
It's not like you got
I knew
arrested.
something was going to happen. Dude, it's always my luck. Before I'm going to spend big money, I always get a ticket. Always. It's just how it works. Like with Carlisle coming up on Friday, I knew that something was going to happen.
Oh, that's right. You're going to be at Carlisle this Friday.
I knew it.
You can get stuff for the Nova, and then you get yanked.
Yeah, it's unbelievable.
I guess no,
$250.
I guess no Xbox One for you.
Yeah, I mean, there goes that money. I mean, I'll get one eventually, but
Keep playing.
my one buddy told me to wait until summer because he said they're just going to join, but I don't know.
We'll probably be done playing by then.
Exactly. That's why I'm like, don't even want to get one, because I was thinking about it today, and I was even talking to Tyler. You guys already have a squad. What am I gonna like if I get?
Sure, we have 4, yeah.
Yeah. So if I get an Xbox, I'm
Well,
like,
sometimes not all of us are on. Like sometimes it'll be me and like Louie will be playing with people, or like Joey's. Since Joey freaking got an Xbox and is now playing, he'll like randomly get on and no one else will be on. I'm like, all right, I guess I'm playing with Joey, who's terrible by the way.
I heard.
Sorry, Joey. You got to practice.
Yeah, he's probably just as good as I am.
No, you're probably better. He did get a couple kills the other night. His first time on, he had a couple of kills.
Well, he's better than me already.
That's pretty
Because
good.
I won my buddy. He won last night for us, basically, dude. Like single-handedly, just kicked ass.
Yeah, we won the other night too with Louie and stuff. I built the most badass fort ever.
Yeah, Fran was telling me it's back. I kind of just want to get it out of my life and just pay it right away.
Is there any points on the speeding fine or no?
No. I can't believe 202 in front of the Copper Mall is 40 miles an hour.